Hi everyone! Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-solve gamit ang remainder theorem. The remainder theorem states that if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is equal to p of c. Bakit nasabing remainder theorem ito? Narito ang proof of remainder theorem. Tinuro ko nung nakaraan, dividend divided by divisor equals quotient plus remainder over divisor. Then, papalitan natin to ng mga symbols and signs. Yung dividend magiging p of x over yung divisor naman x minus c equals ang quotient naman q of x plus yung remainder will be r over divisor is equal to x minus c. Itong equation 1, para matanggal si x minus c, i-multiply natin to both sides ng x minus c. So, p of x over x minus c times x minus c, makakancel yan. Ang matitira ay p of x equals q of x times x minus c plus r over x minus c, makakancel din yan. So, ang matitira lang ay r. So, ito na yung equation 2 natin. Next, i-evaluate natin yung p of x. Let x equals c. So, lahat ng x papalitan natin ng c. So, p of c equals q of c times c minus c plus r. Simplify. P of c equals c minus c is equal to 0. 0 times q of c is equal to 0 plus r. Then, the final equation is p of c equals r. So, kagaya ng statement natin kanina, ang p of c equals remainder. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano gamitin ang remainder theorem, just keep on watching.
Hello mga anakshis! Welcome to MathTV PH. Ang channel na ito ay tungkol sa math tutorials, lectures, or discussions na Tagalog at Taglish na dedicated sa lahat ng mga estudyante. Kung interesado ka, please like, subscribe, at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video.
Good day everyone! Ang una nating example ay find the remainder 1 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 5x plus 4 is divided by x minus 4. Maraming parahan para makuha ang remainder ng division of polynomials. Pwedeng gamitin ang long division at pwede rin gamitin ang synthetic division. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood nyo, i-click nyo lang dito sa taas para mapanood ninyo. Pero ang ituturo ko ngayon ay yung easiest way or the fastest way para makuha ang remainder. Ang unang gagawin ay kukunin natin yung value ng c, which is x minus c. So, ang divisor natin ay x minus 4. So, ang value ng c dito ay equals to positive 4. Dahil negative na to, negative to, hindi na kailangan palitan. So, the value of c is 4. Or, ang pinakamadali ninyong gagawin ay to equate this divisor into 0. So, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Using the addition property of equality, pwede mong i-transpose yung negative 4 sa kabila, mag-change ng sign, magiging positive 4. Or, pwede nyo namang kunin na lang yung opposite ng negative 4 and that is positive 4. So, kahit saan dito ay pwede ninyong gamitin, basta alam ninyo yung concept. So, isusulat muna natin yung p of x na 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 5x plus 4. Then, yung x natin, isa-substitute natin sa lahat ng x. So, p of positive 4. Yung x dito, mapapalitan ng 4. So, 2 times 4 raised to 3 minus 7 times 4 raised to 2 minus 5 times 4 plus 4. Then, simplify. So, p of 4 is equal to 4 raised to 3 times 2 is equal to 128 minus 4 raised to 2 times 7 is equal to 112 minus 5 times 4 is equal to 20 plus 4. Then, simplify the operation. So, P of 4 is equal to 128 minus 112 minus 20 plus 4 is equal to 0. So, the remainder of this given polynomial is 0. So, ito na yung remainder. Another example, using synthetic division, find the quotient and remainder when x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Ang unang gagawin ay kukunin natin yung value ng c. So, x minus c. Kung mapapansin niyo, yung sign niya dito ay positive. Ano ba ang katumbas ng positive? Diba? Negative at negative. So, pwede natin itong i-rewrite as x minus negative 1. Kasi kapag isi-simplify mo to, magiging x plus 1 at katumbas niya yun. So, ang value na ng c ay negative 1. Or, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, pwede nyo namang kunin na lang yung opposite ng positive 1 at ang opposite ng positive 1 ay negative 1. Ito na yung pinakamadaling paraan para makuha niya yung indicator. Then, gagamitin natin yung synthetic division. I-check natin kung kumpleto yung terms. Kumpleto naman from 3 to 1 at 0. So, kunin natin yung numerical coefficient that is positive 1, negative 3, positive 4, at positive 1. Then, maglagay tayo ng L-shape na baliktad. Ilagay natin yung value indicator na negative 1. Then, bring down positive 1. 1 times negative 1 is equal to negative 1. Ilalagay natin dito. Then, add. Negative 3 plus negative 1 is equal to negative 4 kasi magkapareho sila ng sign. Add. Then, copy the sign. Negative 4 times negative 1 is equal to positive 4. Then, add. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Then, multiply 8 sa value indicator negative 1 equals negative 8. Then, add natin to. 1 plus negative 8 is equal to negative 7. So, using the synthetic division, ang remainder natin ay negative 7. So, ang quotient ay babawasan lang natin ito ng isa, magiging x raised to 2 minus 4x plus 8 minus 7 over x plus 1. So, ito yung quotient niya. Next, kunin naman natin yung remainder using the remainder theorem. So, P of x equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. Ano nga ulit ang value indicator natin? That is negative 1. So, yung negative 1 i-substitute natin sa lahat ng x. So, negative 1 cubed minus 3 times negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1 plus 1. Next, simplify. So, P of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 cubed equals negative 1. Minus negative 1 squared equals positive 1 times 3 equals 3. Plus 4 times negative 1 is equal to negative 4 plus 1. Then, simplify. P of negative 1 equals negative 1 minus 3 minus 4 equals negative 8. Plus 1 is equal to negative 7. So, the remainder is negative 7. The same lang din sila. So, ganun lang ang pagkuha ng remainder using the remainder theorem. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa video na ito. Bye!